Are you looking for a tool that can turn your written content into realistic, natural-sounding speech? Look no further than Elevenlabs Text-to-Speech software. With our advanced technology, you can create custom voices that perfectly match your brand or project. In this video, we'll show you how to get started. The first step in creating a custom voice with Elevenlabs is selecting a base voice. We offer a range of male and female voices with different accents and tonal qualities. Choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Once you've chosen a base voice, it's time to record your script. Our software allows you to input text manually or upload a document, and our advanced algorithms will generate speech that sounds like it's coming from a real person. You can make adjustments to tone, pace, and emphasis as needed. Now that you have your base voice and recorded script, it's time to customize your voice even further. With Elevenlabs, you can adjust the pitch, speaking style, and even the pronunciation of individual words. This allows you to create a voice that perfectly matches your brand or project. Once you're happy with your custom voice, it's time to save it for future use. Our software allows you to easily export your voice as an audio file or incorporate it into text-to-speech applications. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Elevenlabs custom text-to-speech software. We hope you're excited to create custom voices for your brand or project. Try it out today and see what kind of speech you can generate.